want to discuss the major challenges industry, whether it is a machine tool or a process industry, is facing. So there are three major challenges. First one happens to be shortage of skilled manpower. Skilled manpower is really very helpful in making the plant running profitable and dealing with all the manufacturing plant situations. So shortage of skilled manpower is one of the very strong challenge which industry is facing. Number second challenge is quality control and getting the consistent products manufactured. Whether it is a chemical plant or it is a machine tool plant, getting the consistent good quality product is a major challenge. Third is the cost reduction. We are looking towards cost reduction in each aspects of the manufacturing, whether it refers to the HR, manpower cost, or the energy cost, or the raw material cost, or the inventory costs. So all these costs add up to the cost and depletes the profits out of the business. And we at Little Systems have been helping the industry with dealing all three challenges. All three of these challenges, when dealt with a good automation system, it leads to adding profits and giving peace of mind. I invite you to explore the website and see how we can help you in achieving these challenges through PLC and SCADA control panels and process automation systems. Thank you.